In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack app. Whether you're looking to enhance your workspace's functionality or want to get started on Slack's platform for developers, this guide will walk you through the process step by step with clarity and ease. First off, let's begin by navigating to Slack's API page. You'll want to go to https://api.slack.com apps, which is the central hub for all things related to app creation in Slack. Bookmarking this page can be handy for future reference if you decide to build more apps down the line. Once you're on the page, look for the button that says Create New App. This is your starting point. Clicking this will prompt you to begin the setup of your new Slack application. You should see the option that allows you to use their configuration UI. This user interface is designed to help you add the basic information such as the app's scopes, settings, and features in a step-by-step manner. The next task is to give your app a name. Choose something that clearly identifies what your app will do or represents your brand's identity. Following that, you'll need to select a workspace where this app will live. Selecting the right workspace initially is quite important, especially if you have multiple Slack workspaces for different teams or purposes. When you've filled in these basic details, you'll see an option marked as Test. Clicking here allows you to ensure everything is in place before moving forward. Once you are satisfied with the initial setup, click Create App to make it official. Now that you've created your app, you'll likely want to customize it further. Customization is where you can enhance the app's capabilities and make it fit seamlessly into your Slack environment. At this point, click on Highlight to bring your attention to additional settings and features that you can tweak. Don't worry if you feel a bit overwhelmed. Slack has a How to Build a Slack App guide that provides in-depth insights and detailed instructions on creating more advanced functionalities. You can access this directly through their interface for additional support. Be sure to save any changes you make. It's critical to ensure that no work is lost as you make updates and improvements to your app. You'll be prompted to enter a description for your app, which is an opportunity to let your team know what the app is for and how it should be used. With everything set up and saved, you'll want to click Install App. This is the final step in deploying your app, allowing it to function in your chosen Slack workspace. After installation, you can start testing and iterating on your app within Slack to make sure it meets your needs and performs as expected. Remember, continuous testing and feedback are key to maintaining a successful Slack app. And that's how you build your Slack app from scratch. With your app installed, you're ready to embark on creating better, more integrated experiences in your Slack channels. Thanks for watching and happy developing.